What's going on, everyone? Happy Monday. I just kind of want to dive into the charts a little bit, take a look at SoFi. So SoFi actually had a pretty decent day, up 7.5%, and we did close about 78 cents higher on the day. That price was $11.45. So what I want to take note of here, as we roll into the rest of the week, is SoFi is coming into this 20-day moving average that you can see here on the daily time frame. As we came into this level intraday, we tagged it and were rejected and closed just underneath. So my bias is still pretty firm on SoFi as long as we are trading over that $8.82 range. I think that it's a pretty good spot to start accumulating. I actually did start accumulating some shares today, early in today's session, down here in this level, as I did like that we broke Friday's highs and we pushed out of this demand zone. So this previous demand zone that we were in was acting as a little bit of support area here back on January the 28th, as well as February the 4th, and then we kind of pushed higher. It looks like we've been consolidating, and obviously we know that with a lot of the geopolitical news with Russia and Ukraine, we did have an overall sell-off in the overall markets. And that's when we really touched that $8.82. I mean, if anyone was lucky enough to snag it down there in the eights, congratulations. This has made a fantastic move for 3 days. What I would be looking for going into tomorrow and Wednesday would be a little bit of consolidation. So if we don't continue to push higher tomorrow, it's not a red flag as long as we don't lose $8.82. I could completely see us coming back into this zone here, maybe finishing with a little bit of an inside bar here. The more accumulation on this demand zone is going to be better for the run up. Again, until we can confirm that 20-day moving average, which is going to be a price of around $11.87, $12, definitely just be careful, as we could chop around. So the last thing you want to do coming into this week is buy SoFi close to $12, get rejected, and have it fall all the way back to $10 here. Just kind of understand your risk, understand where we are at technically with the chart right now. I don't believe that it's a lot of fundamentals that are moving a lot of stocks. What's moving a lot of stocks is what's going on in Russia and Ukraine. That's what moving stocks today. Obviously, we know in March we've got that Fed meeting where we're going to see how much we're going to be raising interest rates, and I think that blow, whether it be good or bad, is going to also sway the markets up or down. But if we're able to kind of get out of this consolidation, get out of this downward channel, and really start closing over $12, over that 20-day moving average, we're going to have a little bit of room to run. My next price target for SoFi from here is going to be anywhere between $13 and $14. I would expect to be met with a little bit of rejection right around that $13, $14 mark, which is going to be completely fine. What we want to see is something like this, right? So in a perfect world, this is what we would want to see: some sort of inside bar for 1-2 days. Then we get a close over the 20-day moving average. And then we get that new high where we kind of get 1-2 days of consolidation and then start to make this push back up into this $13, $14 range. That would be ideal. So definitely anyone who's holding SoFi long, continue to hold your shares. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence, but just based off what I can see here on the technicals on the chart, nothing is going to tell me to sell this position, especially if you're in at a much, much higher price, average price. If you've already sat through this much pain now and you've been averaging down, what would be the sense in selling out of your position now? Maintain that strong conviction going into the rest of this year. We know that this year is probably not going to be the best overall for stocks, but anything can change at the drop of a dime. So with that being said, just kind of keep those levels in watch. We are looking for the $12 area next, and then we're looking for 13 to 14. And obviously, if we hold this $8.82, I will remain bullish and continue to hold my long-term position on this stock. With that being said, if you guys want to trade alongside me each and every single day live, definitely join that Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Also, if you guys are looking for a trading strategy, maybe you guys are interested in trading options, day trading, scalping, definitely check out my website, evolutiontraders.com, as you can find my video course there. Also subscribe to this YouTube channel as well as give me a thumbs up. It'll help this video get out to more people. And until next time, I'll see you guys all in the next trading video.